Everybody, it's Johnny again. I know it's been a while since my last video, and I had a family member that's been in the hospital, and we've had some crappy weather for videos, so I'm back. But so anyway, you know, when I started this channel, or before I started it, I thought about doing food challenges, but I realized something. I'm 43 years old, so I probably shouldn't be doing massive amounts of food all the time. But I got to thinking, you know, when I was younger, in my 16, 17, 18, I used to, occasionally I would go get 2 subs and I would eat them. And so I haven't done that in years, and I got to thinking, you know, before I go on my diet and getting right with exercise, and because I want to do some obstacle course races this year, so I got to get back in shape. I was wondering, can I still do that? Am I still able to eat a couple of subs like I used to? And so my 2 favorites used to be, when I would go to Subway, I would get a steak and cheese sub and a spicy Italian sub. So here I go. I'm gonna see if I can still do it. Let's start on the cold sub first. Let's get this bad boy knocked out. Cheers. I'm sitting on an angle, about to fall off. Bread's gotta be one of the hardest things to eat fast. It's really hard. Yeah, when you don't want these to go quick, they go quick. I have no idea how people put these on so quick. Man, what have I got myself into? I'm gonna do it, damn it. Must soldier on. One stop down. All right. Number 2, hot sub. Oh, it's gonna be much easier. Huh. My God. Now I made these just like I used to when I was younger. It was before I discovered peppers. So, not as tasty as I normally would get them. I can do it. That helps a little bit. Man, mad props to people like Matt Stoney and Randy Santel and people like that. People like that. It's harder than it looks. Last one. I can do it. I was so hungry for this when I got here now, or before I got here. Now this is just don't look good anymore. Is it really starting to rain? It's like a cloud in the sky. Maybe it's my tears. My God. Almost there. Almost there. Last bite. Alright, so what did I discover? I discovered that I'm not 16 no more. I still have it in me, but I'm not 16 no more. And I also discovered I'm probably not cut out for food challenges. But either way, they were tasty. And I made it through. And I will survive. And hopefully I keep it down. So anyway, this was Johnny. And I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Signing out. See you on the flip side.